Today, we will learn about the daily routine in English. I will tell you about my whole day, from morning to night. You will learn many new words and simple sentences. This will help you speak English better. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to remember the words. Are you ready? Let's begin. I wake up at 6 a.m. My alarm clock rings loudly. The sound is very noisy. I open my eyes slowly. I feel sleepy. I do not want to leave my warm bed, but I must wake up. I stretch my arms and legs. I take a deep breath. The new day begins. I sit up in bed and rub my eyes. The sun shines through my window. The room is bright. I look outside. The sky is clear and blue. Birds are singing. I stand up and walk to the bathroom. My feet feel cold on the floor. It is early morning and everything is quiet. First, I wash my face with cold water. The cold water wakes me up. I feel fresh. Then I take my toothbrush. It is blue. I squeeze some toothpaste on it. The toothpaste smells minty. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. My teeth are clean and white. I smile. Now it is time for a shower. I turn on the water. The water is warm and feels good on my skin. I take soap and rub it on my body. I use shampoo for my hair. The shampoo smells like flowers. I close my eyes and enjoy the warm water. After my shower, I take a big towel and dry my body. My hair is wet, so I use a small towel to dry it. My skin feels soft and clean. Now I go to my room. I open my closet. I see many clothes. What should I wear today? I pick a blue shirt and black pants. I put on my socks and shoes. Now I am ready for the day. My stomach makes a noise. I am hungry. It is time for breakfast. I go to the kitchen. I open the fridge. I see milk, eggs, and bread. I decide to make toast and scrambled eggs. I put 2 slices of bread in the toaster. The toast is ready. I spread butter on it. I crack 2 eggs into a pan. The eggs cook quickly. I add a little salt. The smell is nice. I pour a glass of orange juice. The juice is cold and fresh. I sit at the table and eat my breakfast. Breakfast gives me energy. Now I feel strong and ready for the day. After breakfast, I wash my plate and clean the table. The kitchen looks nice and tidy. It is time to go to work. I take my bag and leave my house. The air is fresh. The birds are flying in the sky. I hear the sound of cars. The city is waking up. I walk to the bus stop. The bus comes at 8 a.m. Many people are waiting. The bus arrives. It is big and blue. I step inside and find a seat near the window. The bus starts moving. I look outside. I see tall buildings, busy roads, and many people walking. The city is full of life. I like watching the world from the window. After 30 minutes, I arrive at my office. I get off the bus and walk inside the building. I see my coworkers. I smile and say, "Good morning." They smile and say, "Good morning." I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer. The screen lights up. I check my emails. I read messages from my boss. I start my tasks. I type on my keyboard. I answer phone calls and write reports. At 12 p.m., it is lunchtime. I am hungry again. I go to the lunchroom. I open my lunchbox. Today I have a chicken sandwich, an apple, a bottle of water. I sit with my friends. We talk and laugh. How was your day? They ask. I say, it is good. How about you? We enjoy our meal. After lunch, I feel sleepy, but I must work. I drink a cup of coffee. Now I feel awake. I finish my tasks. I write reports. I have a meeting with my boss. We talk about new ideas. The day is busy. Time goes fast. At 5 p.m., my work is finished. It is time to go home. I take my bag and leave the office. I walk to the bus stop again. The bus comes and I get in. I sit near the window. The sun is going down. The sky is orange and pink. It looks beautiful. After 30 minutes, I arrive home. I feel happy and relaxed. At 6 p.m., I go for a walk in the park. The air is cool. I see children playing. I see people jogging. I hear birds singing. The trees move in the wind. I walk for 30 minutes. It feels good. Walking is healthy. At 7 p.m., I eat dinner. Today, I eat rice, chicken, and vegetables. The food is hot and tasty. I drink a glass of water. After dinner, I wash my plate. I clean the kitchen. My house is neat and clean. At 8 p.m., I watch TV. I watch a funny show. I laugh a lot. At 9 p.m., I read a book. I like reading. Books help me learn new words. I feel calm and happy. At 10 p.m., it is time to sleep. I brush my teeth again. I change into my pajamas. I turn off the lights. I lie in bed. My blanket is soft and warm. I feel sleepy. I close my eyes. Good night. Tomorrow is a new day.